I am Dr. C.L. Venkatrao. Jeera water. It has got 10 amazing health benefits. Jeera contains magnesium, calcium, iron, and potassium. The first and foremost, the health benefit is for type 2 diabetics. It helps in regulating the blood sugar. So it is desirable that every diabetic takes a glass of Jeera water after lunch and after dinner. You can take about 30 minutes after completing the lunch and dinner. Number 2, people who are stout and obese who wants to lose weight, Jeera water is a great remedy. Losing weight also helps in regulating the diabetes. Third, it improves the digestion. It prevents indigestion. Acidity, gas, bloating, belching, all these things can be prevented by using Jeera water. Number 4, some of the young girls and ladies, they get severe abdominal pain, stomach pain below the navel during periods. This commonly occurs when they have water bubbles, cysts in the ovary. So taking Jeera water helps in preventing the stomach pain and the cramps that occur during the periods. Number 5, Jeera has got a benefit of making the skin glowing, shiny, attractive, charming, and face looks very energetic, vibrant. It also prevents premature aging by preventing wrinkles on the face and on the skin also. Number 6, teenagers, they suffer a lot with the pimples. Acne is also called as acne. Both boys and girls in their teenage groups, they will be worried about the pimples that will produce small marks on their face. So Jeera water prevents the occurrence of pimples. Number 7, if Jeera water is applied locally to the hair becomes black, prevents hair loss. The roots of the hair become very strong, prevents hair loss, dandruff. It also prevents splitting of the ends of the hair. Number 8, it lowers the bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, thereby prevents heart attack. 9, it acts as an immunity booster, prevents the entry of bacteria, virus and fungus into the body. Thereby the communicable disorders like gastroenteritis, cholera, jaundice, typhoid, TB, pneumonia. In addition, COVID virus, monkeypox virus, chickenpox virus, flu virus, Zika virus, Nipah virus, it prevents the entry of the virus into the body and it does not allow the occurrence of viral diseases. Lastly, 10th, because it has got plenty of iron in Jeera, it prevents anemia. People, especially in women whose hemoglobin level is less than 10 grams, if they take Jeera water regularly, the hemoglobin content will improve and it will cross 10 grams and they look more active and energetic. Because of anemia, there is a possibility they will be weak. They will get sometimes, whenever they do work, they get breathlessness. In view of the 10 amazing health benefits, Jeera water is a very ideal thing to be taken periodically.